New numbers from the Madison Fire Department show opioid overdoses nearly doubling.
They are startling statistics, and our Chris Gothner is here to tell us how the department is training staff to keep up as the cost of a life-saving overdose reversal drug goes up. Chris?
When first responders go to an overdose call, the first tool in their toolbox is the anti-overdose drug Narcan. More and more firefighters are learning to use it as they find themselves having to use more and more of the pricey drug. Fire engines like this one carry a life-saving drug, Narcan, able to reverse an opioid overdose. Until recently, EMTs on Madison engines were unable to give out doses. That required a paramedic. But an increase in overdoses meant MFD needed to expand Narcan's reach.
We have 18 engine and ladders in service and only 8 rescues. So with the engine and ladders getting on scene prior to us, they could administer Narcan and start breathing for the patient and possibly reverse the outcome of the dose of the opiate.
Beth Rissler is a training officer for the fire department. She says now that firefighters are going to a lot more overdoses, it means, of course, that they're having to use more Narcan, especially with the rise in heroin laced with adulterants like fentanyl or animal tranquilizers, which often require additional doses. New statistics show firefighters are responding to nearly double the number of overdose calls than they did this time last year.
It's alarming for the whole city.
And also alarming, the drug's rising cost.
The doses are getting more expensive. They're at $38 a dose right now.
You're always worried about costs going up and not having the supply you need.
Julia Olson, a public health supervisor, says so far Dane County agencies haven't had Narcan funding issues, but they're watching the price. She credits the increased use of Narcan with reducing the number of overdose deaths, even as overdoses themselves go up.
We're saving lives.
Rissler says going forward, money still won't be an object. She says Narcan is too important not to have.
There is no price take on saving somebody's life.
In addition to Madison firefighters and EMTs, Madison police officers and Dane County deputies are also trained to use Narcan.
Gothner joining us in studio tonight.
Chris, thank you.